Good morning students and welcome to MSc Final Bioinorganic E-class. Our topic is metal complexes and transmission of energy. In previous class we had studied about photosynthetic pigments. In this class we will try to understand and discuss the photochemistry of chlorophyll molecule and then proceed for the mechanism of photosynthesis. So let us start our topic. The process of energy conversion in photosynthesis begins when light is absorbed by chlorophyll molecules located in the light harvesting complex or also known as antenna complex. The chlorophyll molecules gets excited by a quantum of light. This involves movement of an electron from a molecular orbital of lower energy level to higher energy level. Such an excited chlorophyll molecule is unstable and returns to its original unexcited state in one of the three ways. In the first way, the extra energy is converted exclusively to heat energy. Secondly, the extra energy is transferred to a neighboring chlorophyll molecule by a process called resonance energy transfer and is used for increasing the energy level of an electron in the neighboring molecules. The excited chlorophyll molecule takes the role of electron donor and transfers the high energy electron to nearby molecule and perform the role of electron acceptor. The chlorophyll molecule is excited due to absorption of a photon after transfer of a high energy electron and accepts a low energy electron from another molecule which is electron donor and then returns to its ground state. So as we can see in this diagram, it is a light harvesting system or antenna molecules. इसमें हम देख रहे हैं कि ये मॉलिक्यूल लाइट एनर्जी को एब्जॉर्ब करते हैं और फिर रिएक्शन सेंटर तक इस एनर्जी को पहुंचाते हैं. जो ये नेक्स्ट डायग्राम है इसमें भी हम यहाँ पे एंटीना पिगमेंट्स को देख सकते हैं और एनर्जी ट्रांसफ़र को देख सकते हैं. जो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स एक्साइटेड स्टेट में आते हैं अपने नेबरिंग मॉलिक्यूल को एक्साइट करते हैं और इस तरीके से एनर्जी को ट्रांसफ़र करते हैं reaction center तक. Then we come to the mechanism of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is basically an oxidation reduction process in which water is oxidized to release oxygen and carbon dioxide is reduced to form starch and sugars. Photosynthesis is completed into two phases: light dependent reaction and light independent reactions. The first is light reaction or light dependent reactions. Photosynthesis begins with the light reaction which is carried out only during the day in the presence of sunlight. In plants, a light dependent reaction takes place in the thylakoid membranes of the chloroplast. Light reactions are basically photochemical splitting or oxidation of water. During this stage, energy from sunlight is absorbed and converted into chemical energy which is stored in ATP, NADP and in the form of proton. The chemical equation in the light reaction of photosynthesis can be reduced like this: 2 H2O molecule plus 2 NADP plus 3 adenosine diphosphate, 3 inorganic phosphate, and they form oxygen, NADPH and energy currency, that is ATP molecules. Then the dark reaction. Dark reaction, which is light independent reaction. This is also known as non-photochemical reduction of carbon dioxide. During this stage, carbohydrates are synthesized from carbon dioxide using the energy stored in ATP and NADP formed in the light dependent reaction. डार्क रिएक्शन में जो रिएक्शन होगी उस रिएक्शन के लिए एटीपी हमें कहाँ से मिलता है? हमारे फर्स्ट वाले स्टेज से, मतलब लाइट डिपेंडेंट रिएक्शन से. डार्क रिएक्शन इज ऑल्सो नोन एज कार्बन फिक्सिंग रिएक्शन. It is light independent process in which sugar molecules are formed from water and carbon dioxide. The direct reaction occurs in the stroma of the chloroplast, where they utilize the NADPH and ATP products of the light reaction. Plant capture the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere through stomata and proceed to the Calvin photosynthesis cycle. In the Calvin cycle, ATP and NADPH formed during light reaction drive the reaction and convert 6 molecules of carbon dioxide into one sugar molecule or glucose. The chemical equation for the dark reaction can be reduced to, and it can be written like this. So this is all about the mechanism of photosynthesis. In our next class, we will proceed for photosystems. Thank you.